This is Mike with Freshcut, and this is going to be a quick video documenting our improvement process. This is first a document that started internally as a way to make sure our team had a framework to provide the simplest and fastest service and solutions to our clients. I then realized there might be value in sharing this, so we've been using this on our Facebook and now in this video format. This is a simple framework to make sure we can get to you as quickly as possible with the right solutions you're looking for. So in this, the first step is to identify, or ID, the problems you're currently having or what you're looking to solve. This will sound like us asking questions like, what have you done before to solve this problem? Have you used a provider? Do you normally DIY? We genuinely want to know what you've done so we can make sure we're doing something different and actually providing value to you. Our next step is to provide a quote. All of our quotes are custom tailored to your needs. If you're on the phone with us, you can receive this over the phone and even sign and accept there. Otherwise, we can email this over to you. So first we identify, and then we quote. After you get the quote, one of the very few things you need to do is to accept the quote. If you are on the phone, you can simply sign and accept right over the phone. Otherwise, we can send an email and text over. You can sign that way. Your quote will say something like your beautiful lawn or your free quote. Open that up and click this blue hyperlink. That'll take you to a website called View My Proposal. From there, you can select only the services you want. In this case, we quoted our a la carte mowing, as well as 3 of our programs. Our second program is our most popular and probably our best value. It includes weekly lawn mowing, fertilization weed control, grub, and fall aeration. This is going to give you 6 amazing applications on top of weekly mowing, as well as fall aeration overseed to outcompete the weeds, get the lawn thicker, reduce compaction, and grub control prevention is to make sure your lawn is safe from one of the most dangerous threats. After you accept it, comes payment. We try to make this as incredibly simple, as easy as possible. We don't do any checks under the mat or mail at the end of the month, or any of that kind of stuff. All you need to do is you'll receive a form that's a secure PCI link to put your credit card information in. Once we have that, it's totally secure on our end. All we can see is the last 4 digits. That way you know your information's safe, and we simply charge the day after service. After that, you're done. Yay! The last step is sit back, relax, and wait for service. We'll communicate via call, text, and email, depending on what service it is. We always try to get there as soon as possible. For mowing clients, we can usually get there within that same week. For example, you call on a Monday or Tuesday, you can almost guarantee we'll be there by the end of the week. Fertilization weed control, pretty similar thing. Our landscape or enhancement crew really depends on seasonality. We're obviously much busier in the spring than we are over the summer. But we'll call, text, and email to make sure you're in the loop. You know exactly what services are happening when at your property.